Hi, I'm Mike at ABC Fullerton Vacuum and Sewing. I wanted to show you a product today called Champion Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish. Probably the best stainless steel and polish out there. And it's really easy to use. I've got a stainless steel refrigerator here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it on. I'm just going to wipe. Beautiful. What this does is it puts a light oil-based finish on it to resist fingerprints. You can see how easy it is to use, and it cleans beautifully. We sell this on our store and our website. Come on by today or shop on our website. Thanks for watching.